Now, hello, I'm back again. And this week, we're not going to be looking at a crash test, like the Mini and the Porsche. Yeah, the Mini or the Porsche, or the Alfa or the Taxi. We're just going to look, and we're just going to move on to supercars now. And here's one we brought in. It is a really nice Ferrari 458 Italia. I brought it down here to give it a whirl. The Australians made this lovely bodywork of it. Well, not the lights, but this lovely bodywork with all the badges fitted on it. It was very nice. All the glass and stuff as well, the wing mirrors. They made the big body frame and the glass. But then the Italians gave the Australian people a reward, saying that because of their beautiful bodywork, such really good details and stuff, they were allowed to give it a special name.
Don't mind your feet. It's going to back it up.
Now, they called it Re Silverado, and here it is. Very nice inside. Actually, I think I might show you how it works, actually. Look, go through the windscreen. They have an excellent windscreen view. Look at that. You can't really see inside through the windscreen. There you go, there's a windscreen. I wonder if you could probably see around the back. Yeah, look, the Germans made that. We made this, the British made this. Really big Ferrari's engine. Exhaust pipes and everything. The underneath is just like an old car, but it's an everyday car. But this is just superb. I got this annoying egg. Stop it. How do I make a film? Sorry about that. Got this annoying